Hi, this is John from Apollo Sprayers. Today we're going to talk about your brand new Power 6. So congratulations on your purchase, and let's go through the package and see what you just got. So let's go through the different items that you get with the Power 6. So before me you see all of the items that come in it. You're going to get the Power 6 turbine system, you're going to get the spray gun with the cup, you're going to get the 32-foot air hose, you're going to get cleaning kit, viscosity meter, and a bag of goodies. So let's go through all of the individual items here that you're going to get with your Power 6. So the viscosity meter is the first item here that I've got. This is what we use for measuring Class A finishes or fine finishes. So don't try to use this to measure latex paint because it won't work very well. If you want to use it for measuring latex paint, then you need to get a different cup, which is a number 4 Ford cup. And you can purchase that on our website. This is a number 2 Zahn cup, which is used for mostly automotive finishes and clear woodworking finishes and things like that. We also provide a nice cleaning kit for you to use to clean up your spray gun. Cleaning is very important for your spray gun, so make sure you clean up your spray gun each time you're done using it so that it's always in good shape for you the next time you come to use it. Then we come to our bag of goodies. So in the bag of goodies here, you'll have your electric cord, you'll have your blow-off tool, which is a really handy device to hook to your air hose. And that can be used for dusting, blowing off any dirt off your project right before you go to spray it. It's really nice to be able to use your turbine for doing that rather than an air compressor, which most people do, and you won't get any contamination from your turbine. So make sure you use the blow-off tool with your turbine to be able to de-dust and de-dirt your projects before you go ahead and spray. Then with your auto packages, we include what's called a hose plug, and we'll go through the function of that here in a minute. And then you'll have 2 quick connects. So the 2 quick connects you need to get installed on the turbine. The first one goes into the top of the machine here for your handy hold, and that's where you put your spray gun. And the second one is going to go on the outlet to connect your air hose. So that gets us the basic setup of the packages and accessories. So let's go through the spray gun. So in this white box, you're going to have your cup, and that comes already pre-assembled as you see it here. Then in the spray gun box, you will have your spray gun and some small accessories. So in the box, you'll have your spray gun instruction manual, so make sure you read that before you get started. You'll have your spray gun. You have a multi-tool here for you taking apart the different pieces on the gun. We give you an extra air valve so that if you clog the one that's in here, you've got an extra one. And then we give you a little bottle of sample of our lube too, which is a special lube that we developed that has no silicone or any petroleum distillates in it, so it's not just regular oil. So make sure you only lubricate your gun with this product. So let's go and set up the spray gun. So what we'll do first of all is take the gun out of the box, and then in this little plastic bag where we had the air valve is the little nipple that we'll need here, and that little nipple will screw right into the side of the head here, and then we'll take the wrench and just snug it up, and don't over tighten it. It just needs to be just beyond finger tight, so it doesn't need to be tight at all. And that's basically the setup on the air tube. So now we'll attach the cup to the gun, and you can just spin that right on. And again, this doesn't have to be super tight, so I'll just take my hand and just kind of turn it a little bit and just to snug it up, and that's all you need to do. And then connect your air tube to the side of the gun right here. And then if you need to reposition your air tube, the fitting on the top of the cup here will swivel, so you can turn it and position the air tube wherever it's convenient so that it's not out of the way. I like to twist it around the front of the cup like that, so that basically I'm now have the gun without the tube hanging off the side. So that's your gun all set up. So we'll just lock it into the handy hold until we're ready to spray. So if I was ready to spray now, I would go ahead and put my paint in the cup. Make sure you strain it first. Make sure you connect the power cord. So your power cord is going to connect right here to the plug, and then connect it into your outlet. And then we're going to connect our air hose. You can only connect your air hose one way. So we have a male quick connect fitting on the end for the turbine, and we have a quick connect fitting, the female end, for the end of your spray gun. So make sure you push the connector on and make sure it clicks into place. If it hasn't clicked into place, then it's not properly attached to the spray gun. Now with the Power 6, we are also including our newest addition accessory, the remote control. So should you choose to use this, it's very simple to use. All you're going to do is disconnect under your hose, or your cord, your electric cord here, and instead of plugging this end into the wall, you're going to plug this into the remote switch first, and then you're going to plug this into the wall. Once that's done, you can then use the remote switch to turn the machine on and off. Once you've preset your power here to the pressure that you need, you can turn the machine on and off, and the machine will automatically come back and replicate that same exact pressure that you had it set at before. So that goes through the unboxing procedure for the Power 6 and through the basic run through the accessories and how to set up the machine. If you have any questions or anything, please contact us at customer service. And again, thank you for your purchase and your trust in Apollo Sprayers.